package. What did we get ourselves into this time? Let's open her up. And welcome back, you beautiful people. Today we're going to look at the STKR Telescoping Lamp. Been very impressed with this over the past few months that I have been utilizing it. Comes with the USB-C charger and also the little box that plugs in the wall. I liked that. Included is a quick startup guide. Would highly recommend taking a glance at that. And here's the lamp itself. A little remote control that's magnetic. Really enjoy that feature just to keep everything together. But really, to get started, all you'll need to do is plug the battery into the lamp. It is rechargeable, which is very nice. Just by unscrewing the base, it reveals the compartment where it goes. This one already had a little bit of a charge, and as you see, very bright. I personally like the red light LED option that this gives me, along with a few others. With the remote, I can realistically control this lamp for about up to 30 feet, giving you a convenient control option. This is also how you're going to attach your lamp to the telescoping pole. The pole goes up 8 feet and has stakes on all 3 sides to go directly into the ground, and features a swivel locking base at the bottom so you can adjust your lamp how you need it for lighting conditions. So both lightweight and strong, I've been really impressed with how compact the package really gets, and it makes it nice and easy for carrying convenience. This is the lighting system that I will continue to use while I go out on adventures and camp along the way. Would highly recommend you giving it a try.